Dear children, have you all seen a bird?
Yes!
Do you love birds? Yes, we love birds. Birds are beautiful little creatures. Birds can fly. Birds can sing. Birds have feathers. Birds live in the nest. Dear children, shall we recite a poem about a little bird? Yes! We are going to recite a poem. Once I saw a little bird. Very good. Once I saw a little bird come hop, hop, hop.
Once I saw a little bird come hop, hop, hop.
And I cried, little bird, will you stop, stop, stop?
And I cried, little bird, will you stop, stop, stop?
I was going to the window to say, how do you do?
I was going to the window to see how do you do.
When he shook his little tail and away he flew.
And he shook his little tail and away he flew.
Very good. Children, shall we sing this rhyme?
Yeah!
Once I saw a little bird come hop, hop, hop.
Once I saw a little bird come hop, hop, hop.
And I cried, little bird, will you stop, stop, stop?
And I cried, little bird, will you stop, stop, stop?
I was going to the window to say, how do you do?
I was going to the window to say, how do you do?
When he shook his little tail and the way he flew.
And he shook his little tail and away he flew.
Once I saw a little bird come hop, hop, hop. And I cried, little bird, will you stop, stop, stop? I was going to the window to say, how do you do? When he shook his little tail and the way he flew.
Dear children, in this poem, a small little boy sees a very beautiful little bird. The bird was hopping near his window. When the bird hopping, the small boy shouted at the bird, "Hey dear bird, will you stop hopping? Will you stop, stop, stop?" He went near the window and asked the bird, "How do you do?" Children, if I am asking you, how do you do? What do you say? Yes, I'm fine. Very good. The little bird shook his little tail and then the bird fly away. Dear children, can you answer my questions?
Yeah!
Yes, very good. What did the child see?
The child saw a little bird.
Yes, the child saw a little bird. Can you tell this? What was the little bird doing?
The little bird was sitting upon a window.
Good. Children, let's listen to the sound and identify the bird. Are you ready?
Yeah!
Yes. What bird is this? Yes, it is a crow. Yes, it is a parrot. Can you guess the bird now? It's a peacock. What bird is this? Yes, it is a sparrow. Very good, children. Children, hope you enjoyed this poem and had a nice time. We are listening to the poem Once I Saw a Little Bird from NCERT Textbook Marigold 1. Let's sing along.